Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So today we're gonna review a new purchase model. So we'll get into where we purchased the model soon. But yeah, so this is the model I have right in front of me now, and so this is the box that the model came in. So as you can see, you're familiar with which model this is. It's quite obvious with the flag. I guess you know which flag is this. Yep, it is the Malaysian flag, the famous Jalo Gemilang, or in English the Stripes of Glory. So it came in a box which is quite it's a very interesting box where you have the plane model itself, the flag which shows the livery of the model. So let's see what model. So it is the Airbus A350-900, or specifically 941XWB, which carries the registration 9M-MAG, and it is owned by Malaysia's flag carrier, which is Malaysia Airlines. So if I'm not mistaken, this aircraft was brought into service in 2018, and it operated flights between Kuala Lumpur to London, Heathrow, and a few other places like Osaka. So during this pandemic, most of its flights are between Kuala Lumpur and Heathrow because of the demand. Well, it is also the sixth and final Airbus A350 purchased by Malaysia Airlines in 2018. That was the brief history of the aircraft itself, and I think it's time for us to move on to the model itself. So this particular model was released by Next Generation Model, or NG Models, in late 2020, if I'm not mistaken, October 2020. So this was, if I'm not mistaken, it was priced at 160 ringgit, if I'm not mistaken. That was the selling price at that time. So it is a 1:400 ratio scale model, which is full die cast, and I guess it's time for us to see the model itself. I'm sure you all can't wait. So I've actually pre-unboxed the model itself. So that was the video you saw just now, and this is how it looks like after it came out from the box. It's posted like this. They did a great job with packaging it. It looks like we have plastic, styrofoam, and another layer of plastic down there. It's like this. fully covered, and I think this is real good for packaging. So as you can see, you can already see the famous flying kite of Malaysia, the traditional wow, and a few famous Malaysian colors over there. Right, I think we'll start unboxing, unpacking it. Yeah, the model itself. So here you go. This is the 1 to 400 scale model of 9M-MAG of Malaysia Airlines Berhad. So it is a very accurate, intricate made model by NG model, next generation model, and I really like the detail in it. It looks really good. If I'm not mistaken, they did release the same model. I'm not really sure, because this is my first Airbus A350, so this is how it looks like from first glance. So I really like the color of the model. So a brief explanation about the livery itself. So the livery is actually called the Negaraku livery, which shows the Malaysian flag, and Negaraku is directly translated to English, it's my country. So let's have a closer look at the details over here. The flag, the livery itself. Yeah, so on top of the flag, I guess I start from the back. So this is the Wi-Fi dome. They put extra detail in everything. I really like it. So I'm not sure whether you can see the, I'll try to make it focus. The wings, the logo on the winglet, I guess you can see that. And yeah, especially look at this, the wow. The wow is the wow on the tail just strikes like real wow. So they even put the APU inlet. I'm sorry, is it inlet? Mind me, this is my first review, so I'm kinda new to this. So this is how it looks like from the front. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is how it looks like from the front of the aircraft. The detail put into this model is just superb. Look at the dome. I'll zoom in for you. So yeah, even the eyeliner, I call it the eyeliner, the famous Airbus airliner. The detail, man, just look at that. And let's look at the doors, the right side of the plane. So even the details here, look at this. The Malaysian flag is a bit, but let's just say it's very hard for them to do it perfectly. We can't expect everything to be perfect, but they did their best. Even though the Malaysian flag is supposed to start with the red stripe on top. The first line, as you can see here, and I don't know whether I can point that to you, but yeah, here. So I think there's a really minor flaw there. And next you can see the One World logo just beside between the door and the first window. Yeah, look at the window. Yeah. The front cargo door, even that was put into detail. We'll look down there in a second. So even the Malaysia Airlines name is very nicely put. So I don't know what's this, third, yeah, it's third. So yeah, engine, the right engine looks really good. Let me just focus it for you. Yeah, so this is how it looks like up close. I don't know whether I'm sorry guys, I'm struggling. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. And yeah, so there you go, a clear view of the winglet logo over there. Ta-da! On the wings itself, well, I've seen a few models where they actually put into I mean the color of the wings on the wings. Maybe this color is not really it doesn't really it's not that accurate, but well, I guess it does the job. Yeah, look at that. It's nice, still nice. So yeah, as I told you, the APU. There you go, the registration 9M-MAG. This is the last Airbus A350 purchased by Malaysia Airlines. Well, I don't know, but such a coincidence. MAG also stands for I don't know, but I think I made this up, but MAG does exist. MAG stands for Malaysian Aviation Group, which is the parent of Malaysia Airlines. I'm sorry, the parent is Hasanah, if I'm not mistaken. As I said, I'm still learning, so I apologize if I got anything wrong. So the other engine, the left engine, you can see. So that's how it looks. I turned the model upside down. I don't know whether it's appropriate to do this, but yeah. This is under the left engine. So this is how it looks like. Look at the detail, man. Alright, look at those. Look at the landing gears. It's nicely put. Really nicely put. See, this is the back. Just wow. No words. So the lights. Yeah, so you can even see the and the nose gear registration, even though it's upside down. Alright, so I guess that's all for this review. So wait, before I end the video, so if you want me to rate this, I would rate it at 9/10. Yeah, because of the detail, just everything is detail when it comes to model, because you have the aircraft itself, and now look at this, the model. Yeah, everything looks sturdy also. I do get some models which the landing gear come off whatsoever, but yeah, this looks sturdy for now, and it feels quite nice. It feels heavy. Yeah, so this is 9M-MAG, the Negaraku livery, and the last Malaysia Airlines Airbus A350. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you have any comments, or if you would like to leave any suggestions or ideas on how I should review more aircraft models, just feel free to leave it below. I'll make sure to read each one of your comments. So see you in the next video.